Back of the Five Bells, but we'd be delighted to invite you to join us if you'd like to.
We shall be doing the Druggan's Children's Song.
Yes, indeed. The three of us work in visit schools every now and again. We help children write songs about local history. We've got a whole repertoire of Cambridge folk songs written by kids. But on these weekends, we like to have a few pints and sing them to grown-ups. You'll be welcome to come in if you want to. Shall we sing a lead a song to him?
Oh yes, should I go with us? Yes. A little shanty or something we can all
Yes. The reason we're called the Young Uns, even though the three of us are all going to turn 40 next year, is I remember that. It's because when we were kids, we didn't know what folk songs were. No one had ever taught us, and we knew that the Geordies up the road had certain songs, and we knew that people in Yorkshire had songs, but from where we come from, which is Stockton and Hartlepool and Teesside, we didn't know those songs. And we heard people singing in the back room of a pub one night 20 years ago, and it changed our lives. We heard people singing about things we knew, places we knew, singing in our own accents without instruments, and it was real life-changing moment. But because we were the youngest people in that room that night by about 30 years, we were quickly christened the young ones. And
this is why we still surround ourselves with old people. The reason I say that is because they make that noise, and that's good because this is in a high key. Warmed up. Oh no, we've done rolling up already, haven't we? What bit of rolling up, rolling down, or something like that?
Yeah. Well, the first songs we ever had the confidence to join in with in those days in Stockton were the sea shanties, because they're designed for people to join in with the songs in the sea. So we're going to sing.
So in South Australia, everyone can join in. Things come back time and time again, so you'll get this. In South Australia I was born, heave away, all away. In South Australia I'm Cape Horn, we're bound for South Australia. All away you're rolling cake, heave away, all away. All away you'll hear me sing, we're bound for South Australia. As I walked out one morning fair, heave away, all away. There I met with Nancy Blair, we're bound for South Australia. All away you're rolling cake, heave away, all away. All away you'll hear me sing, we're bound for South Australia. Oh, when I buy sugar down, heave away, all away. Sugar round and round the town, we're bound for South Australia. All away you're rolling cake, heave away, all away. All away you'll hear me sing, we're bound for South Australia. Oh, there's only one thing grieves my mind, heave away, all away. Leaving Nancy Blair behind, we're bound for South Australia. All away you're rolling cake, heave away, all away. All away you'll hear me sing, we're bound for South Australia. Nancy Wallaby out there, heave away, all away. Wish to God we've never been born, we're bound for South Australia. All away you're rolling cake, heave away, all away. All away you'll hear me sing, we're bound for South Australia. I wish I was an Australia's fan, heave away, all away. Bottle of whiskey in me hand, we're bound for South Australia. All away you're rolling cake, heave away, all away. All away you'll hear me sing, we're bound for South Australia. In South Australia I was born, heave away, all away. South Australia and people, we're bound for South Australia. All away you're rolling cake, heave away, all away. All away you'll hear me sing, we're bound for South Australia. All away you're rolling cake, heave away, all away. All away you'll hear me sing, we're bound for South Australia.
Sean, Michael and David, ladies and gentlemen, that performance was outstanding. I hope you can possibly come again. Because, I mean, I don't know what you think. This is really we're trying to open up the museum to more inclusive, interesting events, but I think this was absolutely an amazing way to start this afternoon. We hope we can do this thing again. I'll have a chat with the guys later. I'll speak to you as well. Again, thanks very much again. You got what are you doing at the bells? You're just doing some more?
We're going to put more singing in the barn at the back of the fire bells.
Okay, well I hope some of you can wander along there and have a drink as well. But another round of applause.
Oh, it's
Right to the